Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is, if you got a screen protector or a case, then remove it, and let me tell you why. Basically, whenever your case is covering the screen, if it's going onto the screen, if it's covering the bezel, so the dark part between your screen and the side of your phone, and this basically, what can happen is your phone will be unresponsive and you won't be able to do anything at all. So if that's the case, if it's like a little bit larger than it should be on the sides, then make sure to remove it. And for the screen protector, if it's not applied perfectly, I'm not talking about the dynamic island right here, but still, if it's not aligned or along these sides right here, then if it's going on to the sides, then that also can mean one thing, that your phone is just less responsive. So what you guys want to do first is, if you removed anything, then make sure to clean your screen first. We're gonna give it a few swipes. So now the screen is clean, and what we want to do next is we want to go over and restart our phone to refresh the system. Let's hold the power button for 3 seconds. Now, what we're going to do is, let me quickly mute this. We're going to hold the power button for 10 seconds with the volume down. So just ignore the screenshot that you took. Keep on holding for 10 seconds. And now the phone is forced restarting, so we did not touch anything. As you guys can see, we should see the logo soon because we just heard the vibration. As you guys can see, it's restarting. And after that forced restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna perform a software update. So all we have to do is wait for the phone to turn back on. Now we just enter the password, and next we're gonna go over to the settings as a last resort and update our software. And go to software update now in the system and update. As you guys can see, we are checking for updates now and my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. And next, the real last resort, we're gonna go to system and updates again, go to reset, and here we're gonna reset our phone. So we're gonna reset everything. As you guys can see, we'll get rid of anything like our apps, music, photos, videos, files, and everything else. So we just click reset phone right here, then we enter a digital balance pin, and we are done. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.